I want to be glam today. I want to be glam.
Hey baby, even though I hate you, I wanna love you, I want you.
Is prep my skin with a little bit of the Mercier hydrating moisturizer. One with my Tarte clay stick foundation in tan sand, and I'm just gonna kind of lightly place it around, give myself some really nice coverage, but at the same time give my skin some nutrients that it needs. You feel me? To go in and buff this in, I'm gonna use the 117 from Beige Cosmetics. It's more of a synthetic brush. I like it to really buff in my cream products, and it has like a nice little slant on it, so it kind of makes it easy to get like under the eyes, around the nose, and pretty much like anywhere I really need it to be. After that, because like I want a really like good full coverage under eye, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter concealer in the shade Light, just to kind of really brighten up this Ciccione. And I want to like really snatch the nose. And I'm going to use the same brush just to lightly tap and blend it out. I can't find my beauty blender because a concealer like this that's more so opaque and a little bit on the drier side likes to have some moisture to it, but for today we're gonna just go with it. We have a nice hydrating primer and a hydrating foundation, so we should be okay. It's blending out beautifully actually. Continue, I'm just going to take a little bit of a setting powder. I'm going to use Airspun and Honey Beige. So I'm just going to use that to lightly kind of set down my under eyes before we proceed. Oh yeah. I'm going to warm up my skin with a little bit of the Anastasia bronzer and Cappuccino and my BH Cosmetics brush in 114. When you're buffing out, you really want to make sure you're really getting like the nice edges along the hairline so that nothing looks out of place and it just kind of like flows. Especially like compared to this side and this side, like you could really see a big difference. I'm just gonna slap this on there. I removed like all of my bake. I put my bronzer on. Now we feel and look a little dry, so we want to add some moisture back. So I'm going to take the old original Urban Decay and just lightly set that down. Just for a pop of color, I'm going to be using the birthday edition one that I got from your Sephora birthday gift collection, which is PArrty from Tarte from 2017. Just going to lightly tap some color just to kind of like flush the skin, and I like to flush the nose, above the brows, just to kind of tie in with the bronzer to make everything look a little bit more sun-kissed, and I like to do my chin. Oh yeah. I'm going to take a little bit of Tarte and Coolada just to kind of press it. It matches my natural lip tone. It gives you a nice little pop. Like for one of our finishing touches, you always have to have a highlight. So I'm going to use Minted Mojito, and that's on this side from a Fenty Rihanna collection. I'm going to use this one right here. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm going to use Sandcastle. Oops. I'm going to use Sandcastle and just lightly go, oh my god, on my cheeks. Whoa. Holy shit. A little bit on my hairline. Like that, so we could really look like a glazed donut. I'm gonna take a little bit on the tip of my nose, in the center of my nose, above my lip, on my chin. I love that glow. I'm gonna do a little bit on this side. Take a little bit of the minted Mojito. Really do this, but today I'm gonna add a little mascara just to my lashes to kind of make them pop a little bit. And then before we go, we have to do one more spray just to really lock everything in, especially our damn highlighter. Oh yeah, we are living the dream. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit that ring bell notification so you can be notified when I upload. If you guys have any more ideas on content that I should do, please let me know. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.